Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to change your password on Credit Karma in 2025. With increasing cyber threats, keeping your financial info secure is more crucial than ever. Whether you're updating for better security or just forgot your old one, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're on the Credit Karma website or app. If you're on a computer, head to creditkarma.com and log in with your current credentials. If you're using the mobile app, open it up and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for the account settings. It's usually in the top right corner, represented by your profile icon or gear symbol. Next, click on Account Settings or Security Settings. This is where you'll find options related to your personal information. Scroll down until you see Password or Change Password. It might be under a sub-menu like Login and Security. When you click on that, you'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. This is a safety measure to ensure it's really you making the change. Now, for the fun part, enter your new password. Make it strong. Aim for at least 12 characters, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Credit Karma might even suggest one for you. After typing in your new password, you'll have to confirm it by entering it a second time. Double check for any typos to avoid issues. Once everything looks good, hit the Save or Update Password button. You might get a confirmation message or an email from Credit Karma verifying the change. To be extra safe, log out of your account and log back in with your new password to make sure it works. And there you have it. That's how you change your password on Credit Karma in 2025. Remember, regularly updating your passwords is a smart habit for protecting your financial data. If you run into any hiccups, Credit Karma's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.